I wanted to share some past video trapping adventures. I saved up and bought a trail cam about 8 years ago. I started video trapping to break up some of the monotony of my outdoor videos. I had no idea how much I would enjoy it. The excitement of checking the footage is very similar to going on a hunt, and you never know what you might have captured on film. Before I built my cabin, I had a camp with a tarp shelter, wood stove, and a bed. It was the perfect place to warm up on those cold winter days and enjoy a hot meal or drink. I spent many days and nights stuck inside during snowstorms as well. I also had no idea that one of my trail cam videos would hit 860,000 views. Good morning. I'm just making my way up to my trail cam. I'm going to check and rebait it today. If it's not producing, I'm going to scout for a new location. Another beautiful day here in Alberta. It's about minus 20 Celsius with the wind chill of minus 27. We got some light snow. From what I can see, I didn't capture anything too exciting, and this is after a week of sitting out here. So I'm going to pack everything up and head down this very steep hill and look for a new location. I think I found a good location. There's a game trail that starts way back there, comes this way, and it also branches off going up this way. So I think I'm going to set it up at that tree, looking that way, rebait it, see what happens. So for lure today I'm using synthetic buck urine. It's not as effective when they're not mating, but it still works. In this bag I got some leftovers, pureed apple, instant oatmeal, couple of carrots and onion, works pretty good. I also use Vicks Vapor Rub for luring marten, fishers, wolverine, stuff like that. My trail cam is all ready. I have it set for the right height. I have it pointed right where I want it to. Got my snow blocker on top. And one of these days I'll make a video specifically on how I set up my trail cam. So I just have to remember to turn it on and let's see what happens. Putting my trail cam at this den wouldn't be a bad idea. I'm just not too sure if it's active. You know, we just got some snow this morning, so it's hard to tell. I'm going to stop here, build a fire, warm up, and have a bite to eat. Found a couple of nice small diameter dead standing trees for my fire. can't complain about today's lunch. I got some grilled salmon, stick bannock. I even brought out some raspberry, rhubarb, and strawberry jam that I made. Now it looks like we got another storm here. The storm's starting to pick up. Either I'll have to build up my fire or start heading home. Bloody cold out. Well, that storm passed, but I have a feeling there'll be another one. And I could actually hear the trees popping in the distance, and that tells me that the temperature's dropping. And we're actually supposed to dip down to the -40 wind chills tonight.